Welcome to today's podcast. Our topic is procrastination. Why do we put things off even when we know we shouldn't?
It's such a universal struggle. I mean, who hasn't binged a whole series instead of tackling a deadline?
Right? But is procrastination just about being lazy, or is there more to it?
Actually, science says it's not just laziness. It's connected to how our brains manage emotions and self-control.
That's interesting. So avoiding tasks is more about dodging uncomfortable feelings?
Exactly. When a task feels overwhelming or boring, our brain seeks instant gratification, like scrolling on our phone.
Makes sense. I've read that it's like a fight between the limbic system and the prefrontal cortex.
Yes, the limbic system wants pleasure now, while the prefrontal cortex plans for the future. Sometimes the limbic system just wins.
So when we procrastinate, are we really just trying to feel better in the moment?
Often, yes, but ironically, putting things off usually makes us feel worse later.
That's the classic procrastination spiral, right? Delay, guilt, more delay.
Exactly, and the guilt can actually make it harder to get started.
I wonder, is there any evolutionary reason for procrastination? Or is it just a modern problem?
Some researchers think it's linked to our ancestors' need for immediate rewards, but modern life is full of long-term goals.
Like saving for retirement or studying for exams, stuff with zero instant payoff.
Right? Which our brains aren't naturally wired for. That's why procrastination feels so strong.
So how do people break the cycle? Is willpower enough?
Willpower helps, but tricks like breaking tasks into chunks or setting tiny goals work even better.
I use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, I do it right away.
That's brilliant. Sometimes I set a timer for 10 minutes just to get started. Usually I end up working longer.
It's funny how just starting is often the hardest part.
Totally. Our brains overestimate how hard a task will be until we actually begin.
Do you think technology makes procrastination worse? All those distractions are just a click away.
Definitely. Notifications are like candy for our brains. It takes real effort to stay focused.
Maybe we need digital junk food warnings. But seriously, do you think everyone procrastinates the same way?
Not at all. Some people delay decisions, others avoid chores, and some even procrastinate on fun things.
That's true. I've even procrastinated on hobbies I love just because there's pressure to do them perfectly.
Perfectionism is a huge factor. If you fear not doing it perfectly, you might not start at all.
It's like, if I can't write the perfect essay, I just won't write anything.
Exactly, but progress beats perfection every time. A messy first draft is better than a blank page.
That's a good reminder. I guess self-compassion matters here too.
Absolutely. Forgiving yourself for procrastinating can break the guilt cycle and help you move forward.
So, to sum up, procrastination isn't just about laziness. It's a mix of brain chemistry, emotions, and habits.
And changing how we approach tasks, plus a bit of kindness to ourselves, can make a big difference.
Thanks for joining us. Next time you catch yourself procrastinating, ask, what feeling am I avoiding?
And remember, starting small beats never starting at all. See you next time.